Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of Tech for You Snap, and today we are doing the 8th tutorial in the Android series. Now, as far as this goes, we're going to get into refactoring, and we're also going to get into creating a new class and how to use the new class. I'll make a hypothetical situation as of, say for example, for whatever reason we want to use this bit of information in multiple spots. Well, what can happen is we can copy and paste it into the spots, or we can simply use one location and have everything called to that. The reason why that's important to note is if you end up having something that's used in multiple spots, for example like the padding as I showed earlier, well, what happens is you got to change in every single spot and everything has to be right, and if you forget one thing, then that's that. But if you can have everything called to that one spot, then you're good. You don't have anything to worry about. So if you hadn't watched my past videos, then please feel free to check out the card that should be shown about now. It's on the top right, and it will take you to the past video. And it's very important to check out that so you're on the same level. But if this is too easy for you and you want to move on, then please feel free to check out the card about showing now. If the card does not show up, then that means the video is not out yet. Keep in mind I put out these videos once or twice a week depending on my schedule. What we need to do is simply, there's a few ways to do it, but we can go to File, New, and make a new Java thing, and this is how I do it more than not, is go to where the Java class will be, right click, go New, go to Java class, and we need to name our new class. So let's start with a capital letter, and I'm just going to name it School. It doesn't matter what you name it. Now, this is something I don't care one way or another for. So it's something that could be useful to have in case if you're trying to figure out who's messing with what, who made this or whatever, especially in companies. But if you want, you can go to File, Settings, File and Code Template, Include, File Head, and you can just erase all that and press OK and do that. For me, I don't care one way or another. And if you do erase it and press OK, you still have to erase this, but anything you make in the future won't have that. But again, I don't care one way or another. What we need to do is go down a few. We can add some comments or whatever here, but I'm just going to move on and do public string, and then we're going to name it I don't know, get school. And then we're going to have that, open it up to a bracket. And from here, what we need to do is go over here, go to the onClick method, copy everything except for the last bit of data. So I'm just going to leave all this down here because what happens is this deals with the layout, and basically it sets the layout. So we're just going to copy all that, cut it, we're going to paste it, we're going to OK this, so it imports it. And what we're going to do from here is return school and there you go. Now let's say if we made a mistake and meant to put this back, well, we can just cut that back out and paste it back in here, and it takes care of that. Now, and what we need to do is simply call in upon the stuff. So what we need to do is go to the top up here, and we need to make a private. And from here, or in fact, what I can do is, yeah, let's just do that private. Name it school. And then name it M school equals new school. Close that out. And we need to be able to call upon it down here. And the reason why you don't do that here is if this is a large list, it's going to take a lot of processing out, so it's resource management. And that way you don't have users complaining about the app's so slow and it's useless and stuff like that. So from here, what we need to do is go down to string, schools equal M school. Get school, and then close that out, and that's it. So basically what's going to do is it's going to use this to call upon here to get the random number and spit it out to this one. Simple as that. So let's run the app real quick and test this one out before we head off for this video. And so we got the app up, we can click it and we can see that it actually works like before. And again, in case if you missed it, basically what happens is on the on-click method, here's the on-click method. Basically what happens is it sets the school strings to this, it goes up to here, and what it does is it calls from here, lets it do its thing, and whatever this is, it sends it back, and that's where this gets its response from. And because we didn't add this into here, this still gets it from this area. So you can have both places making strings, or one place is making strings. And again, the reason why we didn't have it processing what's in here each and every time is because that would take away the processing power and stuff. So like if we got 100,000 things in here, just hypothetically speaking, it'll take a long time for the process, and having to process for like 2-3 seconds, that's a long time. That could take away money from a company, because that's productivity going out the door, and that's what you don't want as a app developer. But anyways, as far as that goes, if you do have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. And if you like this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and share. And feel free to check out our Patreon campaign to donate there to help us out. And also the PayPal donation stuff, and the links to that will be down below. Hope you have a great day.